Who do I see? Good morning, sunshine. What did you do? Wow, look at all the stuff you threw on the floor. Hi, cute stuff. Yeah? Yeah, you got some mismatched, you got something in your diaper? Yeah, do we need to change? Did you get sleepy? Yeah? Here, let Mom turn on the... Let's open up some light here. Look at your beautiful face. You are rocking those mismatched jammies. Look, it's light outside. Yeah. We'll turn off the humidifier here. Hi. Good morning. Yeah? Look at all that stuff you threw on the floor. Is that Sleepy Dog? Is that Sleepy Dog? Oh. Oh. Are you okay?
Will you say one?
Oh, look, it's Big Brother.
Hi.
Good morning. Good morning. Ryan. Mwah, good morning.
You will.
Did it? Oh, you pulled off all your blankets. Oh, awesome. We're chucking Pooh Bears across the room.
Ouch.
Yay! What you got, Ryan? Oh, it's just a free-for-all in here.
Ouch.
Sean, please don't throw that. And you did it anyway. Wow, this is not at all how I thought this video was going to go. I had different ideas in mind, but as usual, the boys do their own thing. Ryan, I want to see some of your your sweet, cute face. Yeah, that cup is quickly becoming a rocket.
Ow!
I love you. Hey, Ryan. Can I get an I love you? Can I get an I love you? Sean, you need to stop, honey. You're breathing. Yep. You need to go sit down. Yeah.
No.
Ryan. I love you, Ryan. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Ryan, I love you.
You want it out? You want it out? You want it out? You want it out? You do? Fine. Well done. Yes, it out.
Okay, can you wait by... Oh, can you blow kisses to the camera? Can you blow kisses? No. All right. Bye, baby. I love you.